Welcome, let us proceed to register the subject. What is the subject's last name?
Tendulkar.
What is the subject's gender?
Male.
What is the subject's age?
45.
What is the subject's height in centimeters?
165.
What is the subject's weight in pounds?
180.
All right, now please state your application.
Brain screen protocol.
How many minutes would you like to spend on this exam?
4.5.
Thank you, the scan will begin momentarily. Uploading encrypted patient information to the cloud. Alright, looks like we can proceed with the exam. Scan 1 of 3 in progress, T1W. Waiting an estimated 87 seconds for data from scan 1.
Don't delete.
Retrieving data for scan 1. Scan 2 of 3 in progress, PDW. Waiting an estimated 94 seconds for data from scan 2. Retrieving data for scan 2. Waiting an estimated 111 seconds for data from scan 3. Retrieving data for scan 3.